prior there. Better let this thing go. Well, the header didn't work. It's hitting the slave cylinder. Now, I checked it when it was out. And it looked like it was going to clear, but now, try to put it in, it doesn't clear. FedEx was supposed to bring my headers like 3 days ago, but they're too lazy to walk up my driveway. So I'm going to work on the drive shaft now. Try to see if I can salvage this U-joint and put the slip yoke on, see if the drive shaft works.
Dad.
That doesn't look bad. Might get away with reusing this. That's still good. Now you see, the splines are different. I don't know, it might be, I might be getting lucky here. Be the luckiest thing on the build so far. Yeah, there you go. That's pretty lucky. I'm able to take the old U-joint apart, no damage. Put it right into the new slip yoke. We'll take this one win. Alright, my rib truth's here. My new slip yoke works. I'm not getting that lucky, guys. Too short. By like 3 inches. That sucks. It's alright, I got a place I can take it. Not sure what else I can do since FedEx screwed me over on my headers. See if I can find that kit for the distributor and start working on it, converting it from points to electronic. Well, this whole distributor is points. I don't think we're supposed to have that much play in the shaft either. I'm going to switch this over to a digital with the Petronix kit. We can get rid of these points. So I want it reliable. So I gotta get my points and my condenser off. Take this out. Along with a grommet underneath. Man, it's hard as rock. There's the points out. They said use acetone to clean it up. I was like, sure. Very clean. This grommet's supposed to be rubber. There. Rubber grommet's out. Or it's not even rubber, it's like hard. It's like rock, I don't know. Alright, next is to hook in my magnetic ring. Just all the way through. Go ahead and clean up my button before I put it in there. Alright, drop your nut so you don't get it started. Put your other nut on. And drop it. And try again. Put the other nut on. Snug it down. Now, we can put this piece in. This is going to be our electronic ignition that picks up the magnet. Essentially, I think tearing it into a Hall effect. Just put some snug these down for now. Need 10 thousandths or 60 thousandths. Now, as I can see, too much. So hopefully we can tighten it up with some shims here. Got that off. I have 2 shims here. This is worn out one. Hopefully we can tighten it up. Alright, so I put all the shims in it. So I got 25 in there. Said it would be up to 60. It's still just floors me. We're looking for an air gap in here. The most they want it to be is 60. The least they want it to be is 10. So let's stick to 12 in there. It's fine. Here's the 10. It's fine. It's not touching. I may look like it is, but it ain't. And I got most of the slop out of the shaft by putting these shims in here. So next, we'll go ahead and put the rubber grommet in. The new rubber grommet. Alright, grommet's in. So I'm unable to finish my steer shaft because I don't got headers. When I got headers, laying around everywhere. But I didn't get the headers. So I believe let's go ahead and start working on the top side of the motor. We got to figure out this old car here. I haven't done much research. Of course, that's the distributor. No big deal. But this is the breather hose that comes out of the motor. I don't know if I can get that into that chrome piece of crap air cleaner I got or not. It ain't looking good. We'll figure it out. Well, I was going to start tightening this up, but I got this breather tube in the way. I did some quick research. I'm going to put a freeze plug in there because the valve covers are vented, so that'll take care of my crankcase ventilation. But now I got a broken. I'm just peddling today. Trying to get some stuff done since I ain't got other parts. But I'm gonna try to get this broken. Try to get this broken dipstick out. Thought I had a slide hammer. I have a slide hammer, but it won't get over that big of a hole. So we're gonna do something inappropriate. That didn't work. That really isn't working. Alright. Do some surgery. Success. There, get the old dipstick tube piece out of there. No, I got bored last night. Frustrated. Not having my headers and other parts. And my drive shaft. I took my drive shaft down to the Mel's truck service to get the tube redone and extended.
And you smashed the engine with a hammer.
Why? We ain't smashed another hammer. Got the
Sledgehammer?
Ace. What? No. What's saying that? Got the Ace EFI on here.
Sledgehammer?
Got a new dipstick
Sledgehammer?
for.
Sledgehammer?
Got a new dipstick too, but I need headers for that. Of course.
said sledgehammer's going to smash the engine,
Well,
smash the mirrors.
we are going to smack it, actually.
What?
Alright, well, this ain't the right size either. But we're going to go ahead and try to slam it in there. Well, that didn't work. Alright. Last weekend was not good. It was bad. I didn't have parts. FedEx was screwing me over. I finally get the headers, and I finally got a header over here that clears everything. I might have to do some modification there, but it clears my safe cylinder and all that. And I'm like, well, that's great. And then I went over here to put the black one on, and it don't fit, so I had to put the hugger on over here. So now I got black and a chrome one. I got some tape ordered to wrap them up so they kind of look the same. I mean, I'm gonna have to try too many different headers.
Well, I really did it good.
Right now I'm working on the steering and finalizing it. I can slip the header past the steering. I don't have my heat tape, so I want to try to finish up the steering and the pedal assemblies. And I got my freeze plug finally too for the back of my motor. So let's go ahead and install that. Alright, there it is, installed. Alright, yesterday was a long day of another misfortunate events. Just tinkering small stuff. I messed around with my throttle and the end broke off. It's been broke for a long time, it was barely even hanging on. Surprised it didn't break on me when I was driving it regularly. So now I gotta get that up and get that fixed. But I ain't worried about that part right now. I got all that's bolted in tight, and I routed my clutch line inside. However, I can't use a remote. I can't use a remote reservoir because I can't get it high enough. So I had to pull my gauge, and I'll fill it up through there. Just custom and 5-speed, and I don't know. I'll bring you back in here when I start working on that again. Everything clears still though good. I'm gonna go ahead and I gotta reattach my brake pedal properly and put it in there, and then I can get the clutch and we'll do the plumbing and see if we can bleed it out, see if we can get the clutch working. Be some type of win this weekend. Alright, I'm taking you into this disaster. Let's see. There is my master cylinder. It's right up against his. Let's see, there's my fitting right there. We'll run it across. Yeah. Just gotta go in this line here. So yeah, we'll be alright. Brake pedal's mounted up. I did some shifting on the clutch pedal, and this is still broke, and this is loose, and this is wrong, and we'll go ahead and try to get this line bent. I'm just gonna try to bend this right here with my hands.
I love my baby hat.
Alright, get everything routed around. Alright, I got my 20 adapters. Clutch line is in. I'm gonna tighten it up out here. And then we're gonna do the comical part. Now, I need to get some rags and think this out, what I'm doing. I'm not really sure. While I'm filming this, you really can't see what the heck's going on anyhow. I guess if I make a mess or something breaks or something stupid happens. Ooh, here comes the mess. Alright, she's filled up. Alright, got my assistant here. She's got to push the pedal down. We'll try to bleed this clutch for most of how far she'll make it.
Okay. Go, go, go.
Oh, yeah. Leave the pedal all the way up. And when you push it, just push it all the way down and hold it until I tell you to release it, okay?
Okay.
Alright, push it down. Alright, release it.
Like I can't press it all the way down.
You can't press it all the way down.
No. I can't.
Looks good. Alright. Lift your foot up. Alright. When I tell you to push the pedal down, push that pedal all the way down and hold it. Yeah. Alright, got my second volunteer here. What kind of fluid we got here now? Alright, press it all the way down and hold it. Alright, go ahead and push it down. Alright, release it all the way down. Alright, can you push it down now? Alright, after a bunch of screaming, yelling, and adjusting, and using a ratchet strap, and I'm not sure how well this is going to work, but I really need the car running and moving before I could figure anything else on this. However, when you push the clutch down, it does release it. And it's not leaking, and it's solid. So that's a win. So now we're going to work on trying getting this steering column straight. I don't know if we can get it to where it needs to be or not. Alright, that's tight. You're gonna put one hole down back in on this. Never know when you might need to check your fluid. See if I can remember how these old GM columns go together. See what happens when I tighten her up. That's what I thought. I have to have that spacer. Alright, steering column's in. Clutch is working. Gear shifter's put in. Yeah, that should happen. Got the new drive shaft in. I don't know, I gotta do some editing. I still gotta see how far along we are here. So, I don't know. This might be it.
Hide and go run.
Till next time.
I'm
See ya.
the glitch of the game, and you have to hide or else.